Hi, today I'll quickly show you how to use PinGenie and get your first Pinterest automation running in just 2 minutes. First, log into the tool and link your Pinterest account. Once you're in the dashboard, I'll use Zalando's Hot Drops campaign as an example, specifically focusing on Puma. I'll copy the campaign URL and use the Quick Start feature, which pulls all data from the link to create a campaign automatically. This process takes about 30 seconds, and as you can see, the campaign is pre-filled. Next, one of the most important steps is selecting a board to post to. I'll choose the Puma board and make sure to add a relevant context so the automation knows what it's about. The website already provides some text, but I'll add a more specific description by Puma Women's Sneakers Online at Zalando. I'll also enter a few keywords. I can use Pinterest Trends for research, which allows me to target various keywords for each pin. The original link is already set as the target, and I can add URL parameters for tracking performance via Google Analytics. In the Images tab, you'll see all the images available for the automation. Each pin will use one of these images randomly. If there are any I don't want, I can delete them easily. This all happens automatically from the original import. Next, I'll choose the posting schedule. I want to post daily at 4 p.m. New York time. In the Design tab, I'll select a pin template. You can either create your own or use a base template. I'll customize it by changing the color to Zalando's orange. Here's a preview of the generated pin with a keyword, an image, and a call to action. If I'm not happy with something, I can adjust the text or change the template, maybe add another design, so the system will randomly alternate between them. Once I'm satisfied, I hit publish and my automation goes live.